Send out proposals and never hear back? InvoicifyAI's estimate follow-up agent automatically calls your customers and nudges them toward a decision, even when you're busy. Let's listen to how the AI follows up on this quote.
Hello.
Hi, is this Dean? This is Alex with Luis Renovations, calling about the estimate we sent you earlier for the kitchen backsplash work we discussed. I wanted to see if you had any questions or ready for next steps.
No, I'm still waiting on a few other proposals from a few different vendors. So I haven't made up my mind yet. I'm gonna go through each of these estimates and then probably reach out to you guys end of next week. How about that?
It's always good to compare your options. To make things easier, how about I give you a call at the end of next week to check in?
Yeah, sure. Give me a call maybe in the afternoon.
Perfect, thank you. I'll plan to call you on Friday the 12th in the afternoon. Just to confirm, would it be all right if I reach out between 1 and 3 p.m.?
Yeah, sure. 3 is fine.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, thank you.
Thank you for your time. I'll follow up with you on Friday the 12th around 3 p.m. If you have any questions before then, we're here to help. Have a great day. Goodbye.
After the call, InvoicifyAI logs that Dean is still comparing quotes and automatically schedules the follow-up at the exact time he requested. No sticky notes, no manual reminders. The full transcript and call recording stay attached to the estimate so you always know exactly what was said. Stop letting your quotes go cold. Let InvoicifyAI follow up. InvoicifyAI.com.